Understanding the phrase, out of your depth. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, out of your depth. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding its meaning can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive in and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. First, let's break down the phrase literally. Imagine you're in a swimming pool where the water is much deeper than your height. If you find yourself in a part of the pool where your feet can't touch the bottom, you are literally out of your depth. This means you are in a situation where you cannot touch the bottom with your feet, potentially leading to a feeling of being unsafe or insecure. Now, let's look at the figurative meaning. When someone says they are out of their depth, they're not talking about swimming. Instead, they mean they are in a situation that is too difficult for them to handle. It implies a lack of experience, skill, or knowledge in that particular area. For example, if a new employee says, "I'm out of my depth in this advanced project," they mean that the project is too challenging for their current skill level. It's important to know how to use out of your depth in different contexts. Here are a few examples. In work, I felt out of my depth during the technical discussion in the meeting. In learning, trying to read advanced scientific papers, I quickly realized I was out of my depth. In social situations, at the gala with all those celebrities, I really felt out of my depth. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, over your head. This also implies a situation is too complex or difficult to understand. In over your head, similar to the previous, often used to describe being overwhelmed in a challenging situation. So there you have it. Understanding and using the phrase, out of your depth, can really enrich your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more accurately in various situations. Remember, it's all about context. Whether you're discussing work, studies, or social scenarios, this phrase can be incredibly useful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!